robots are taking over the cleaning industry. Is this something that we should be afraid of? Let's talk about it.
Candid cleaning conversations. No fluff in the conversation. Real numbers, real elevation. We don't sell dreams, we build foundation. Candid cleaning conversations. Pressure make professional. We clean the business, not just the floor.
In case you don't know, my name is Mrs. Johnson. I am the owner of Tenacity Academy, where we help cleaning business owners start, growing, scale profitable cleaning businesses, even if they are working a 9 to 5.
Absolutely,
this is my co-host.
My name is Tamika, and I am Mrs. Johnson assistant. I have been for 5 years, and I am ready to get into this video.
Let's go. Okay, so some people are scared of AI. Some people are mad and upset that AI is here. What's your thoughts? What do you think? I happen to think that is great. I love it. I love the fact that AI is here. What about you?
Yeah, this is quite interesting just to see how that robot was cleaning the toilet. I do feel like AI will be able to do the cleaning to a certain extent. Like I see it with the brush, but I know as a human, we're able to really get inside of certain type of cracks and stuff like that. Like a robot is going to be a little bit different than an actual individual. Can it do it like surface level? Yeah, I totally agree.
So you don't think that the robot will be as efficient as a
right?
human?
Absolutely, because when I see a robot, I think about the self automated robots that be inside of the like big stores doing the floor, like that type of cleaning. Like it's not excessive, it's not like really, really detailed, but it's like something just to get the job done versus an actual person coming inside and actually doing the cleaning, and it looks a whole lot better.
You gotta think about it. The robot don't complain. It's not gonna come in late. It's not gonna ask you for more money because the job is hard labor. It's just a robot going in doing the job. But how efficient are these robots really? Hey, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to interrupt the video, but I just wanted to ask you one question. Do you have any commercials for your cleaning business right now that maybe look like this?
Floors so shiny, they mirror your dreams. We ain't just mop, we build routines. 941, that's the area code. Call Griffin Pro Clean, let's lighten your load. Call 941-894-8128. Griffin Pro Clean, gon' elevate. We don't miss none, we never show up late. Book your clean now, don't hesitate.
Or do you have any commercials out that look like this?
Tired of walking into your building and seeing what your last cleaning crew missed? Dust on the vents, streaks on the glass, trash bins still half full, and floors that never seem to shine no matter how much you pay? At Regal Shine Cleaning Service, we understand the frustration. You shouldn't have to chase your cleaning company to do what they promise. Our team specializes in delivering consistent, detailed, and reliable commercial cleaning. The kind of clean your staff and clients can feel the moment they walk through the door.
If not, then you need to be a part of our academy. Yes, it's only $15 a month. You can enroll today at the lowest tier, which is $15 a month. Our academy members actually get discounts on our commercials that we create for them, okay? So they get perks. You can take advantage of the little perks that we have. Get those discounts. Become a member of the academy today. I gotta go, but join us, www.tenacityacademy.com. I'll see you on the other side. Bye. Gonna be when they start taking over the industry.
Just to the neck, but now I'm trophied up. I'm saying like bing, bop, boom, 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 bop, bam, bing, bop, boom, 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 bop, bam, bing, bop, boom, 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 bop, bam, bing, bop, boom.
That's crazy. Let me see. Wow.
Still here.
I'm laughing now, but I feel like this is going to improve. They are really trying to replace the cleaning industry. They tired of these damn cleaners not coming to work, complaining and all it. Girl, AI is taking over, baby.
Yeah, this is getting ridiculous. Whenever I'm looking at this, I think about the Jetsons, and I also think about the movie I, Robot with Will Smith. Like it's getting creepy. Like once it gets to that particular level of the I, Robot where it's smooth right now, they're kind of just still working out the kinks. But once they work out those kinks and it runs smoothly like I, Robot, y'all,
you got to prepare. Y'all better prepare for the future. And this is something that I feel like it's already here. It been here already. I remember when they first put the cash registers inside of Walmart. So I remember my mom not wanting to check out because it was like, I'm not checking out with that machine. No, I need a human to check me out. Fast forward 2026. Everybody is running over there to that self-checkout. I know I do. I want the self. Give me the self-checkout, baby, so I can hurry up and get out of here. Okay, so it's just moving. We just all had to adapt because when they first moved in, I was a little like, I don't know what if I mess up? Like, I don't know, right? What if it take my money? The money don't come back. I ain't got time for that. I want to talk to a human. Nowadays, we all adapted to those cash registers. Now I want y'all to check this out. I'm gonna call my business phone number.
This call will be recorded for quality purposes. Hello, you have reached Tenacity Maids Home Services. How can I help you today?
Yes. I'm interested in getting a deep clean.
Great. We offer comprehensive deep cleaning services, which include cleaning inside appliances, baseboards, windows, and detailed sanitization. This service is perfect for special occasions, property transitions, or just giving your home a fresh start. Would you like me to check availability for scheduling a deep cleaning appointment?
Sure.
Here are some available slots for a deep cleaning appointment. Today, February 5th, 12 p.m., 12:30 p.m., or 1 p.m. Tomorrow, February 6th, 8 a.m., 9:30 a.m., or 11 a.m. Monday, February 9th, 9 a.m., 10:30 a.m., or 11:30 a.m. Do any of these times work for you?
I'll take today at 12 p.m.
You're all set. Your deep cleaning appointment is confirmed for today, February 5th at 12 p.m. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Sure. Don't you need my name and my number and my information?
I see we already have your details on file. Your name is Test Fort, and your phone number is 912-604-1421. Is that correct?
Oh, yeah. I forgot. This my test. They already got my test number in here, but you get what I'm trying to say, okay? This is where it's at. We actually have a AI agent that answers our phone calls for us and schedules the cleans out.
What if your cleaning business kept booking jobs while you sleep? With Go CRM, your AI booking assistant answers calls, responds to texts, and schedules appointments for you 24/7. No missed calls, no chasing leads, no lost money. Go CRM. This isn't just another CRM. This is the smartest system in the cleaning industry right now. Why? Because AI does the work for you. Our built-in AI bot talks to your customers, qualifies leads, and books appointments automatically. And here's the game changer. This is the only CRM on the market that creates content for you. Yes, Go CRM creates your branded marketing content for you. Captions, posts, promotions, and schedules it out automatically. So while you're cleaning homes, running crews, or spending time with family, your brand is still working in the background. Go CRM is a all-in-one, zero chaos platform. It includes website and lead capture, booking form email marketing, AI call and text booking, automated follow-ups, content creation and scheduling, invoicing and payments, pipeline and calendar management, schedule your team out, and much more. One system, one login, everything handled. More bookings, more visibility, more freedom. Stop working in your business. Start letting it work for you. Just visit www.clean-go-crm.com. Go CRM, the only CRM that books jobs in your sleep and markets your business for you.
It's going to schedule out the clean for us. Okay, so I don't necessarily need, that's just one task. I'm not saying I don't need a VA anymore because I still need a VA. Still need a VA. But that one task that my VA used to do, she don't have to do that anymore. She can filter out, like the AI can filter out through all of the trash calls that call. Just think about how many times that Google voice number calls you and bugs you. A lot of times we get those little robo calls. The AI can pick up and it can sense that it's a robo call. So it's like AI is talking to AI. It's like, it's crazy. It's unbelievable, man.
I'm really just blown away.
Mm-hmm. I think I already
Put a nip, but now I'm trophied up. I'm
that right there. We close. Imagine that. You in a hotel and it's a machine that's literally going and cleaning all the bathrooms. Crazy, yo. This is where it's going at, y'all. This is where we're at right now. And I feel like as a business owner, I'm not upset. I'm going to embrace it when it comes.
Yeah,
I want one of them bad boys.
You know what? I honestly feel like it'll work both ways. I honestly feel like it'll be a good benefit for some people to have to do generic, just generic cleaning where it doesn't require. But I'm gonna just take it back. I feel like it'll be okay with generic cleaning, like just something simple. But far as when it comes to detailed cleaning, I feel like you're still gonna need a human on certain days. Do I feel like it'll be a sense of where people will actually cut back and just have that robot doing certain days, and then they'll actually have the human to come in
kind of like Walmart.
Right? So I feel like it'll work both ways. Will it eliminate humans completely? Absolutely
it's
not.
Gonna be a while before it wipes the cleaning industry out like completely.
Yeah,
right. Kind of like think about how Walmart they got some of the cashiers out of the way, but they still got some in the background. You still need a human, to check behind the AI, because even ChatGPT be fucking up sometimes.
I mean, and you got to think about it when we go inside of Walmart, y'all, and don't be saying I'm lying. Y'all know that I'm telling the truth. When y'all go in Walmart, they have all these registers open, right? Well, they have all these registers lined up at the point of sale for you to check out, but they only have like 2 or 3 people working, and you're like standing in line. So all hope is not lost, guys. Right. I can definitely tell you that. Like, all hope is not lost.
Man, it's going down. I can't wait to embrace it. Like, get ready for the future, because this is what I can see.
Absolutely.
All my DoorDashers out there, all my Uber Eats people out there, they about to replace y'all. They ain't gonna be using no humans for DoorDash and Uber Eats. I guarantee you, in the future, those jobs is gonna be dead. You know why? Because they got self-driving cars. I can see it. It's bound to happen. Because I'm a fan of Uber Eats and Instacart. We got Instacart on speed, child. We Instacart like crazy, right? But the whole world is speeding up now. Everything is fast. And I'm like, man, why would I go to the store to get some milk when I could just go on my phone and order the milk and it's coming straight to me? But it's going to be a drone bringing that stuff. It's going to be a car bringing some groceries. I could see a robot going in the store, picking up certain things, or maybe the human to pick up the stuff, put it inside the robot, and then the robot take it on out to the car, and then the car bring it to the house. I could see something like that happen.
Y'all, they have been massaging us into our mental state for the longest time. Like, I don't know who really is paying attention, but that's why they put these movies out here. Because I remember Terminator as a kid. Like, it can be a blessing and a curse at the same time. Like, I don't know. I mean, I don't even know really how to feel. Like, I'm excited, but I'm scared at the same time. Like, I feel like I'm on an emotional roller coaster, because it's like, yes, we want the automation, we want the help, we want,
but you don't want that shit to turn into robot on you, right?
Because all those movies, they didn't end well. None of them actually ended it well. Like, so what are you really trying to say? Because it's like one of those AI videos that we watched with the robot, it actually malfunctioned. So I don't know, y'all.
So I can see it in the future where them having, like, we got a smartphone nowadays, smart houses, literally smart houses. I can see this in the future coming to where there are smart houses out there where your refrigerator can tell what's inside the refrigerator, and whenever you're out of milk, or whenever you're out, you can program it to schedule the little Instacart bot to come to the house to replace it. Like, I can see all of this stuff coming because it's damn near already here. So I can see it. I feel like we need to embrace it like we embraced every damn thing else that came.
Yeah, like, y'all got to really pay attention to everything, even when it comes to ChatGPT. Like, I feel like they are taking our brain, and because just think about this for a second, guys. Even when it comes to ChatGPT, we're talking to ChatGPT like it's our homegirl, homeboy, like it's our best friend, our pastor, whoever the case is. Like, we're talking to ChatGPT to where it gives us this honest information. Of course, we got to be very, very specific, but I feel like everything is just happening for a reason. So just keep your eyes open.
Back in the George Jetson days, remember the Jetsons? I'm telling my age, but back then, watching that cartoon, we thought that all of that stuff was like foreign. Like, we thought it was, well, that would be cool if we had a robot. But now in 2026, it's becoming more and more realistic.
Yeah,
people are going to have robots inside of their house doing chores. So for all of my residential cleaners out there, pay attention to what's going on, and don't be afraid of the future, because hell, it might be a situation where we gotta go and purchase some of these little robots to actually go out there and clean some houses.
Okay, like,
that's how I'm gonna be looking at it. Do I gotta listen? I need about 15 robots, robobots. Send them on out there to go clean people's houses. Them I think they cost about 20,000, 50,000
Y'all,
or something like that.
y'all do y'all research. It's all on YouTube, okay? Like, but y'all, I'm enjoying this video because it's just getting me, you're like, just to really thinking about what's really going on and how time has changed. So it's just letting you guys know, if you're not like hip to the program, like people are really starting to feel everything. So if you guys are finding value in this video, please like, comment, subscribe, like tell us your thoughts. Like, how are you feeling? Have you started to see these videos?
Your thoughts? And I wanted to mention that we have a free webinar this Sunday night where we are going to be teaching you how to master AI in your cleaning company. There are things that you need to be putting in place right now, baby. If your website doesn't have a little chat bot on the side of that thing that's talking to, like, you don't need a human to be there anymore. AI can answer questions. My AI bot answers questions on my social media for me. I don't have to be on social media, thank God, because I hate strolling and I hate being on social media, actually, right? But my AI bot handles all those conversations. I just called my AI bot on the phone. It's going to pick up the phone for me. So if you don't have certain things in place, you are already behind. That's not the only thing we're talking about on this webinar. We're going to talk about Chat GPT and some of the things. Some of y'all using it wrong.
Yeah.
And we want to teach you how to use it the right way so that you can leverage AI for your cleaning business, man. Speed it up because the time is come. It's here. Right? So we can't keep doing things like we did back in the 90s and back in the 2000s, back in the 2000s. AI is here. So register for our webinar. Go to, I believe it's cleaneraimasterclass.com. cleaneraimasterclass.com. I just bought the domain today, okay? Or you can click the link down below. I got a link somewhere around here. Register for that free webinar, okay? And then leave your like, comment, subscribe. Leave some comments down below. I want to hear your thoughts about AI and it taking over. Are you scared? Are you going to embrace it? What you going to do? What you gonna do?
Mm-hmm.
All right,
so y'all, let's go. Okay, let's go.
From solo to empire, yeah, we teaching you. Projects on loud, truck on fleet, logo on the side, money on repeat. Not just cleaning homes, we cleaning the game. Clean, clean house, clean mind, clean money. Candy cleaning.